Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy. In this video, we're diving deep into the smart money concept SM strategy combined with Fibonacci retracement levels to maximize precision in trading. This strategy is used by professional traders to identify high probability trade setups and achieve a 90 to 95% success rate. Understanding smart money concept, SMC. The smart money concept, SM, focuses on institutional trading behavior, liquidity zones, and market structure shifts. Unlike traditional retail trading, SMC helps traders follow institutional footprints, capturing moves before they happen. Key elements of SMC: market structure MS, identifying trends and reversals, order blocks, institutional buying and selling zones, liquidity grabs, stop hunt areas where institutions enter trades, breaker blocks and imbalances, zones where price reacts aggressively. Configuring Fibonacci retracement for SMC. Fibonacci retracement is a powerful tool in SMC trading. Instead of using standard levels, we focus on 0.618, 0.786, 0.886, and 0.236, which align with institutional entry points. 5.6 level shallow retracement signals strong trends. 0.618 level golden zone, ideal for deep pullbacks. Level deep retracement, often used by smart money. 0.88 level, the last defense before reversal or trend continuation. Hash your entry and exit strategy. 1. Identify market structure shift, MSS. Look for break of structure. 2. Mark key Fibonacci levels. Use 0.618, 0.786, and 0.886 as key reversal zones. 3. Confirm institutional liquidity grab. Price must grab liquidity before entering. 4. Enter at order blocks near Fibonacci levels. Combine SMC with Fibs for precision. 5. Set stop loss below order block. Place SL at structure lows. 6. Take profit at next liquidity zone. Use Fibonacci extension for TP targets. Why this strategy works? Combines institutional SMC and Fibonacci levels for precision entries. Targets high-risk reward trades, 1 to 5 or more. Avoids retail trading mistakes. No chasing, no emotional entries. This strategy is a game changer for traders looking to trade like institutions. What do you think about this strategy? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Mukhlis Trading Academy, and hit the bell icon for more powerful trading strategies.